Today we got the Tripp-lite 1500 VA Smart UPS. It's a 900 watt UPS. I picked it up off of Amazon for about $252. If you like it and want to support this channel, use the link in the video description to pick one up for yourself. And now we will get to the unboxing. Today, what we got from Amazon is the 1500 VA Smart UPS backup. It's a 900 watt rack mount or tower version. I'm going to end up using it in a rack in my network closet right over here. It's got a front LCD. In this specific model, the Smart 1500 LCDXL is the XL expandable version. You can buy an expandable battery pack to extend the runtime. This one has the expandable port on the back. You can buy their expandable battery pack to extend the runtime on this one. I wanted that option in case I wanted to have it rack mount and still have it run longer than whatever the 1500 VA can provide for all the stuff that's in my rack. So it looks like it comes with a RG11 phone type cable. Comes with the DB9 serial. Here's some informational stuff for you. And USB. It's like a Type B or whatever the square one is. Got one of the brackets that you can use. I think that's, you can make it a tower or rack mount. Let's take this out. Here's the other bracket. So there it is LCD. Looks like this has test slip. I've noticed this in the other one I had. It has a serial number of the unit, all the tests that it passed, and all that information for this specific unit. Has this sticker on it right now. A couple buttons down here. It's actually got power. I haven't even plugged it in yet. $57 minutes of runtime, and it's not even been plugged in. So that's the front of it. Now the back, you have your, it looks like RJ45 jacks. In and out. It looks like either for Cat 5 or phone, for surge protection probably. The USB, the RS-232, DB9 serial port. There's a little breaker there. Here's the external connections for the expander. You can add on more capacity. All your outputs on the back, input cable. That's pretty much it. It's got a, on the side here is the, looks like the door for the there's a screw, and it slides this way. I believe it's probably the door for the regular battery, because they make pretty much all these user serviceable, so the batteries can be replaced. You don't actually have to buy a new one if the thing quits working. So that's good. I've already replaced batteries in another rack mount when I have like this in my server rack, and it's very straightforward. You just slide it out and put the new battery in, and you're good to go. So I'm going to shut this off, and then I'll go over the rest of the specs and stuff on the computer with you. So here it is on Amazon. It's the Tripp-lite SMART1500LCDXL. They have several different options, but like I said, I picked this one specifically for the expandable capability of it. It is 252.43 right now, as at the time of this video. I believe that's the same price that I purchased it at on January 13th. You can see some of the specs here. It's got 8 outlets. All these connections we went through: the USB port, DB9 serial, 6-foot power cord for the input. Comes with AVR and free management software that you can use over the USB port and serial port, so you can have unattended shutdown. Also comes with a 3-year warranty and $250,000 insurance. Ultimate lifetime insurance for any of the connected equipment. As you can see here, it's got the same, they show a picture of it standing up in a tower configuration, which is how I have it right now, actually, in my network closet, because I don't have the rack stuff set up yet. So it's just sitting on the floor with another power strip surge protector plugged into it. And there's that side panel I was telling you about. You can just remove the screw, and the battery slides out and has cable you can disconnect there and put a new one in, slide it back in. So even if you have to replace the battery on one of these, it's really easy. Let's see what else. It is a 2U rack sized unit, so it takes up 2U if you're trying to put it in a rack. This goes over some of the features here. Stuff we already went over. This here shows some estimated runtime. So it looks like at different loads. So if you got 200 watts of stuff plugged into it, it'll last about 31 minutes. We actually had the power go out the other day, and I don't know how much is exactly plugged into it right now, but I think it was right around this area here. So I had about 14 minutes of run time. Some of the other features here. Yeah, if you want to take a look at all this info yourself to read all the details of it and pick one up, go ahead and click on the link in the description. It'll help me out a little bit. It doesn't cost you anything extra. yeah, so go ahead and follow the link in the description. Pick one of these up today. Go ahead and like this video and subscribe to the channel for more unboxing videos to come. Thanks.